In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fully interactive drop-down menu in Figma. UI Animation tutorial, Figma/dropdown. Open your Figma file and head to the design where you want your menu to live. It helps to zoom to 100% so you're designing at the size users will see. Now set up your menu area. You can draw a simple horizontal bar or place your menu inside an existing header. Add a text layer that will act as the menu item, like products or menu. Keep the text layer cleanly named so it's easy to manage later. Customize the look to match your brand. Adjust font size and weight. Add padding with rectangles or auto layout if you prefer. And align everything visually. If you want a subtle accent, use a corner radius or a thin underline to signal interactivity. Next, add a background to the menu container. Choose a fill color, tweak opacity if you need transparency, and check contrast so the text remains readable. If you're using shadows or strokes, keep them light so the focus stays on the content. With the styling in place, convert the menu item into a component. Select the text and its background, then create a component and give it a clear name. Create a variant set so you can build interaction states. Duplicate the component inside the set to make at least 2 states. Default and hover. Change the colors between these states, maybe a darker background or a different text color for hover, so the interaction is obvious. Switch to the prototype tab and wire the states. On the default variant, add a while hovering interaction that changes to the hover variant. On the hover variant, add while hovering to change to default so it returns when the cursor leaves. Use Smart Animate with a short 100 to 200 millisecond ease for a smooth transition. You'll now find the component in the Assets panel. Drag an instance onto your canvas. Duplicate this instance for as many menu items as you need and update the text in each instance. Group or frame these instances together to form your full navigation bar, and set constraints so it behaves well when the frame resizes. Finally, connect your menu to the rest of your design. In Prototype, select each menu instance and set an on-click interaction to navigate to the target frame. Hit Present to preview. Hover to see the color change, click to confirm navigation, and make any small timing or color tweaks until it feels right. Congratulations! Your fully interactive drop-down style menu is ready to use and reuse across your project.